Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho in a pressure cooker. First, toast your whole spices like star anise and cinnamon until fragrant. Next, char your onions and ginger. This adds a crucial smoky depth. Finally, rinse your beef bones well to remove any impurities, ensuring a clear and delicious broth. These initial steps are key for building a strong flavor foundation. Now place your rinsed bones, charred aromatics, and toasted spices into your pressure cooker. Add about 12 cups of water, a few tablespoons of fish sauce, and a small piece of rock sugar for balance. Seal the lid and cook under high pressure for 45 to 60 minutes. This method drastically reduces cooking time while extracting maximum flavor from the ingredients. Once cooked, carefully release the pressure and strain your rich broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all solids. Next, skim any excess fat from the surface of the broth for a cleaner taste. While the broth is hot, prepare your rice noodles according to package directions and thinly slice your preferred cuts of beef, such as sirloin or brisket, against the grain. To assemble your perfect bowl of pho, place the cooked rice noodles and thinly sliced beef into a large serving bowl. Carefully ladle the steaming, aromatic broth over everything, ensuring the beef cooks gently. For an enhanced experience, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, garnish with fresh herbs like cilantro and basil, a squeeze of lime, and a touch of chili for a truly authentic and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.